guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Hardhick.M.Gowda with you today, guys. Guys, today we'll be starting with our mathematics chapter 1. So this chapter is called as sets, and in this set theory can be also said. So we'll be starting with this very basic concepts and all. So because this topic has a connection to almost all the chapters, almost. So it's used in probability, it's used in relations and functions and other lessons. So we'll be understanding this and then we'll be jumping into the other lessons. So do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon and also like my videos, guys. So without any further ado, let's start. So first of all, if we hear the word set, a thing that comes to our mind is a collection, right? Set, okay, crockery set, a book set. So collection. So basic definition of this word is a collection of well-defined objects. The object here can be anything. The object can be anything. Sorry for this handwriting. So the object can be anything. So this anything should be well defined. So a well defined objects. For example, let us take an example of a set of class 10th textbook. So I'm going to a bookshop. So in that bookshop they ask what I want. So I'll say set of class 10th books. So if I just say set of class 10th book, so what will they understand, right? So a class 10th book, for example, it may be a reference book I'm asking, or notebooks or textbook. So I have to define that object correctly. Okay, objects are everything around us is an object, guys. This water bottle is an object. So there will be 4 water bottles. I'll be saying give me a water bottle. So water bottle is many, but we have to define neatly, precise. So this things is very important. So well defined objects. So a set of class 10 book. This is an example that I gave you. Now, collection of rivers of India. So I'll have given you 2 examples. Collection of rivers in India and collection of best authors. So collection of best authors and collection of rivers in India. Which one of them is a set? Which one of them is a set? Collection of rivers of India or collection of best authors? You would say both are correct, but I would say that only the first one is correct and second one is wrong. Why second one is wrong? See, the collection that you are defining should be same for every person, right? See, if I ask for class 10th books, textbooks, so everybody will be understood that he's asking for NCERT. If I just say class 10th reference book, if I say class 10th reference book, there will be many publications like Oswald. There's Oswald, there is PW, Vedantu and etc. Which one they will give? They will obviously give the book that is defined. Okay, so the collection of best authors, the notion in the sense, this differs, the idea differs from person to person. person to person. So you have understood what is a set. Now how to write a set will be discussing. So in mathematics, the collection we are going to be using mainly these much, like natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, and whole numbers and others. So this is a set. This is how we write a set. But here there are certain things that you have to remember. This capital letter A is the representation of a set, and this should always be written in capital letters. The first one. The second one, the brackets that you use should not be this or this. This is different brackets. You have to be using this flower type brackets. So this second point. The third point is that then whatever is written inside this brackets are the terms, or you can say it as objects or elements represented by a small letter. So here I can say that there's 1 here. So there is 1. So I'll write 1 is represented by small a. Now I have to say, okay, in mathematical language I have to say that 1 is present in set A. This is set A, right? Here terms was there. So I have to say that this term belongs to this one. So there's a symbol called belongs to. Okay, this symbol says what? Belongs to. Hope you understood. So we'll be using this term to represent that it belongs to that particular set. Hope you have understood till here. So I'll write A belongs to capital A. So this is the representation. This is belongs to. Next, representation of a set. How set can be written? So set can be written in two forms, that is roster form and the set builder form. In roster form, the terms are listed, and here in the set builder form it's grouped on a common property. See here, I have written a set 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is listed, written in a table form. So this is also called as tabular form or roster form. Generally roster form is good. Next, set builder form. So here by the name itself we can say that this is using something like set builder, means something it is used to build a set. Okay, so all the elements are grouped into a common property. So example, so these examples I have written in set builder form 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are what? Natural numbers, right? So I'll write x is the term and x is nothing but n. What is n? N belongs to natural numbers. So x can be 1, x can be 2, x can be 3. So like that. This is a set builder form. This is very important because you have to be knowing how to break the set and write it in the roster form. Next we'll be learning about the types of set. So there are basically 5 types of set. So those are null or empty set, finite set, infinite set, equal set, and the equivalent set. Empty or null set, by the word itself you can say that the set is empty, means no elements are present. So there's this symbol used to represent that nothing is present, or 0. We can't write it in the set because this one become a element, right? So we have this symbol to represent. So that is known as phi. Next, finite set, where the terms or the elements present in a set is in a definite number, in the sense like there is only 5 elements in this set, I can say. So this 5 is countable, so definite number. But infinite set means those which have elements which cannot be counted. There are crores or millions, that is known as infinity set. This continuing, this dot represents it's continuing. Next is the equal set. So this equal set, by the word we can say this something is becoming equal here, becoming not, it's equal here. So we say that set A is equal to set B or equal to set B when all the elements are present in both the sets are equal. Here the order doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter. So I've given examples. In set A we have 1, 2, 3, and set B we have 2, 1, 3. So 1 is there, 2 is also there, 3 is also there. So I can write set A is equals to set B. Next is equivalent set. Equivalent set means when there is when the number of elements, so that is known as cardinality, that will be studying here. So when the number of set is equal, so we will say that those set is equivalent, will be representing it by here. So n of A is nothing but cardinality. What is cardinality? It's the number of elements present in there. 3 elements is present equals to 3 elements, so these are equivalent. It's see, equal set is also equivalent set because number of elements is same. But equivalent set is not necessary be equal, always equal, but the equal set is always equivalent set. Remember this, guys. Next, the topic cardinality. As I've told, the number of terms present in a set is called cardinality, represented by what? So I'll give you an example. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Closed set A. So number of present is 7. Okay, so how many terms are present in this particular set? It's 7. Yes, hope you have understood till here. And in the next class or this session, we will be studying about the subset and the power set and other topics. So hope you like my videos, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. See you in next videos. Bye.